Hello everyone. It's very afternoon, gabi na everyone. So, I create these creations everyone, yung pinakita kong fabric kanina. And I make my very own outfit everyone. And this is the one of my creations. Ang ganda ng fitting nito everyone dahil it's a very, very stretchable type of fabric. And then, meron akong ginawa kanina actually. I want to wear this on my TikTok. So, I have a one dress anong tawag, parang off-shoulder style na dress na very fitted in the body. This one. And then, meron din akong ginawang isa pa na design. This is a high-waisted long pants style and a blouse. Sandali lang. No? Sandali lang. This is a blouse na off-shoulder style with a high-waisted